Hello, welcome to another video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Today's video, we're going to be cleaning out the refrigerator. You see how it stays now? Let's show you the door. And while we go through it, we're gonna check for expiration dates. We're gonna throw out stuff that's just been rotating. Nobody using it. It's gonna go in the garbage. So today is clean out day. Earlier I did the fridge. I packed the stuff in bins. So let's do the fridge itself so I could go shopping. I wanted to go grocery shopping for the longest, but I said no, something is not right. Let's clean the fridge. Okay, so let me stop to do a video. Yes, I cleaned the first and the second shelf and restock. I don't know how this is. Yeah, clean it out and restock. I still got the bottom shelf to do and the door. But how is it looking? Is it looking any better from before? The top on this. A little organized. I'm just seeing what I have. I have a whole bunch of juices there. Those juice I buy in this supermarket. Sometimes I buy them and forget to drink them. I just throw a whole bunch of stuff in the garbage. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this bottom shelf and take out the tray under there. I gotta get some new onions because those onions seem like they start spoiling. I gotta check them out. Check out the fridge door. I keep water over here. I don't like cold water. The kids drink cold water and they always don't want to refill it. I refill it. You guys is the one drinking the water. Why don't you refill it? You know what I'm saying? I'm always refilling it. I like my water room temperature. So anyway, let's get back to cleaning the fridge. I do each shelf at a time. I do the first shelf, wipe it off, put it back. Second shelf, wipe it off, put it back. Now I'm going to take out this bottom tray. Let's see if I can do that real quick. I'm going to take these out from the bottom. Let's get the door back a little bit more. I'm recording and I have the stuff in my hand at the same time. I'm sorry. Keep messing. Let's see if the fridge can go back anymore. The door can go back more. Oh, I think the garbage can is right there. Yeah, let's see. Take this off. It's got a few potatoes up in there. So now we're gonna take this shelf out. Clean up down there. Don't say ew, because if you guys don't like cleaning fridge, that's what your fridge gonna look like. But guess what? I clean my fridge every month. You gotta get a new clean. I like cleaning my fridge. I don't clean it like every week, but once a month you get a good general cleaning. So let me go and clean up down there. Move to the door. And I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I finished cleaning the bottom shelf, which I had my son help me. So let's give him credit for that. The bottom shelf is clean and restocked. We're throwing out some stuff. Now we're going to move on to the fridge door. I emptied all the shelf. I'm going to empty this one. So yes, as I said, we empty all the stuff off the shelf on the door, and we're about to clean them up, check the dates, throw away what needs to be thrown away, and wipe down the fridge and restock. Let's check this date. What date you see? Oh, you still good. So we save you. Okay, let's recap. So I started out with a fridge that need cleaning. I went shelf by shelf. I wipe down, I throw out what needed to be thrown out, and stuff that's not being eaten. And I still end up with a full fridge, but it's a little cleaner. We have 1.5 gallon of milk, some food that I made back there, and the fridge. I always keep water, cold water for the kids. I restock my condiments or whatever you call it. We have ketchup and relish, all that good stuff. We have some sparkling cider down there. I put in a new baking soda. So now we have a nice clean fridge. And let's check the freezer. Remember we did the fridge and the freezer. And the freezer is all stacked up. Nice. So we have the fridge and the freezer all clean. And that comes to the end of my video. Now I'm just going to wipe out the outside. Let's do a little bit more. Let's clean the outside of the fridge. I'll clean the outside of the fridge and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I cleaned up the fridge. I just sprayed it down with some Lysol. I use this product, this Lysol product. I put those back on my kids. I was looking at that map. That's the school schedule, a mirror. My son doing multiplication at school, so I leave that there. Let's see this side. I put some of the stuff back, but I threw some of it out. So now we have a nice clean fridge. So just to recap, we clean the freezer and we clean the fridge. And here ends our video. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Leave a comment. See you again on my next upload.